Hey, what is up, guys? It's John from Magic Tech Review. How are you guys doing? And in today's video, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the TCL 20 Pro 5G. So here is the phone right here, well, at least the box itself. So just a plain white box, really, with just some information there. Display greatness, of course. So love their branding. TCL, it's always got some nice branding going on. So let's go ahead and pull that out right there. Put this off to the side for a sec just to take a look at the rest of the box contents. So this is just going to be unboxing, not a review just yet, because I'm going to go ahead and take a good look at the phone and show you guys more. Definitely take a look at the specs and all that other stuff. So this is going to be just a kind of quick and dirty unboxing. So here is your cable right there, micro USB, not micro USB, USB type C, what am I saying? And that is your power brick right there. And of course you get a nice case to put on your phone. So we'll go ahead and probably put the case on right there. Let's go ahead and clear the stuff out of the way. Let's go ahead and take a look at the phone itself. Alright, so here's the phone itself. It's got that notch up top. It's got the speaker grill right there, nice and recessed, so you won't get anything in it. There you got your SIM card tray. You got your USB type C, your first microphone hole right there, and then you got your speaker right there. And you got the, what is this thing called here? The smart key. Then you got your power right there, labeled as red. You got your volume up and down rocker. On the top part right there, you got two things right there that are like ancient technology apparently these days, but I love the fact that they still include it right here. You got your earphone jack right there, and you got your IR blaster if you want to control a TV or if you lost a remote. Awesome feature right there. Got your extra microphone hole right there. Then you also have 4 cameras and a nice flash right there for the camera. So it looks like looks like 2 different types of flashes for the camera. Guess I'm gonna have to take a look at that and see what that's all about. But if we put it into the case right there, this is what it looks like with the case on right there. And let me tell you that the camera does not do this justice as far as the look and feel of it, because last year's model, actually this is the TCL 10, and yeah, I like the look of it, but this year's model for sure, like they really stepped up their game. So let's go ahead and take a first look. Let's just boot up the phone itself, and I'm just going to see what the phone actually comes with, what the display looks like real quick, and then we'll go ahead and end the video there. So for those of you wondering what actually comes inside the box and all that stuff, this is basically the video for you. And then I'll do way more videos. I'll do live streams and other stuff with the phone. They also sent me another device as well, so I'll be doing that. So this is what it looks like when you first boot up the phone, and amazing. Wow, I really like it compared to the TCL 10. You know, like I wouldn't think that they would do much different, but I don't know, it already feels snappier than the TCL 10 Pro. But this is the other phone that they sent me, so I will be doing an unboxing and review of this phone as well, and I'm going to be talking about it and doing different videos and stuff like that, so look forward to that on my channel as well. So this is what the phone looks like and comes with right there. Let's go ahead and take a look. Camera, YouTube settings, you got your contacts, duo, Facebook, messages, phone, you got your camera, gallery, music, Netflix, Nxtvision, video, you got your calculator, Chrome, clock, compass, file share, notes, radio, switch photos looks like, assistant, calendar, files, Gmail, Google Play, maps, photos, YouTube again, system, file manager, settings, smart key, smart manager. You got your IR remote, which I think is pretty cool. Support center. You got some games right there. Gamebox and MC Rebellion. You got your weather. You got your news, and you got your Play Store, and you got your booking. And there goes Buddha, almost knocking the camera down. Wow. Well, anyways, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, comment. If you'd like to see other videos, what would you like to see me test on this phone in particular? Any games, any programs, any type of tests, just let me know, and I will try to look in the comments and try to fulfill all those wishes. Thank you guys, and you guys have a great day.